Hi, I'm Renee. Learning to speak English is about so much more than simply learning grammar or vocabulary or pronunciation. Learning to speak English is also about understanding the differences between life in the country where you live and life in English speaking countries. In the United States, we use many systems that are not used in other countries. For example, if you want to talk about weighing something or measuring something, you cannot use the metric system. Most Americans do not understand metric measurements. So if an American asks you this question, how would you answer? How much do you weigh? How much do you weigh? Remember, you can't use kilos, you must use pounds. I weigh 130 pounds. I weigh 130 pounds. A kilo equals 2.20462 pounds. It's the same if you talk about height. How tall are you? How tall are you? You can't use centimeters. In the United States, we measure our height in feet and inches. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. How tall are you? I am 5 feet 5 inches tall. I'm 5 feet 5 inches tall. If you want to talk about the weather, you have to use the Fahrenheit system. In the United States, we use Fahrenheit to measure temperature. It's a lovely day today. I think it's probably 75 degrees outside. 75 degrees Fahrenheit is nice weather. What about your body temperature? If you want to take your temperature, what is a normal body temperature in Fahrenheit? 98.6 degrees. I'm fine. My temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Distance is not measured in kilometers. Distance is measured in miles. How far is it from here to Washington, D.C.? How far is it from here to Washington, D.C.? It's 185 miles from here to Washington, D.C. It's 185 miles from here to Washington, D.C. About 3.5 hours. If you want to bake something, if you want to bake a cake or cookies or a pie, you have to use Fahrenheit to measure the temperature, but there is also a difference in how we measure our ingredients. In the United States, we do not weigh the ingredients. We measure by volume. How do we do that? Every American kitchen has a set of measuring cups. We have special cups to measure our ingredients. It's a half a cup, a third of a cup, 1/4 of a cup, and a special set of spoons. It's a tablespoon, 1/2 of a tablespoon, a teaspoon, 1/2 a teaspoon. So if you want to put salt in your pie, you pour the salt into the teaspoon and pour it in the bowl. That's how we measure our ingredients. And one more difference in the United States: electricity. Our electrical system is different from that of other countries. It is 110 volts and 60 cycles. Our electric plugs look like this. So if you bring something electrical with you when you come to the United States, you need to bring an adapter if you want to use that. There are many differences between life in the US and life in your country. If you'd like to talk about some of them, or if you'd like to have a traditional grammar lesson or learn pronunciation, I'd be happy to give you Skype lessons. You can contact me at sialiablue@gmail.com, sialiablu@gmail.com, and we can talk about having Skype lessons together. I would enjoy that very much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.